So we need 9 gallons of nail polish remover.
9 gallons?
And I think there's only like a gallon over there. Do you have like stock in the back?
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Yay, look at it!
What?
I've never seen a board like
I had no idea. Damn, we had a new target, brother.
He's a hater. Like, he be hating everybody.
Yeah,
Uzi just straight hates, and his stuff is be out of whack all the time. But if somebody...
Hey, the game of skate yesterday, Uzi tried to expose me too.
Yeah, see? He did. But if you try to get at him, he's like, oh man, why you gotta say that?
I started to win, he's like, nope, expose time.
Uzi be gassing everybody. That's why we pick on him so much.
So we're here today at Target because we're gonna be buying 9 gallons of nail polish remover.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Because we want to see what happens when you soak a skateboard in nail polish remover for a few days.
You wanna know
See
my
what happens. Yeah.
Colors will change.
That was my prediction.
Oh. You wanna know my prediction?
I have no idea what's gonna happen. But
It's my prediction.
interesting.
Dude, every woman in this whole city is gonna come after us for... What the? Why am I playing some Nickelback sounding?
Nickelback. Jeez. How many fluid ounces in 9 gallons?
The answer is 1,152 fluid ounces.
This is 6.
Yeah, we're not.
1152. All right, Nigel, what do we show? Oh, here we go. So we need 9 gallons of nail polish remover.
9 gallons?
And I think there's only like a gallon over there. Do you have like stock in the back that you don't
I can
load
go
on
ahead
here?
and check. Can I ask why you need 9 gallons?
Yeah, we're gonna soak a skateboard in it.
24 hours.
That sounds pretty cool.
See what happens.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you just wear something red to Target, like that's their uniform. They're like, you just wear something red. So like if you just wear anything red, they'll think
That
you
could
work
be a
at Target.
ginormous TikTok trend.
That's not good. Hope I don't start that. What are we doing?
We're waiting for the woman.
We're waiting
to come back
for-
with all
yeah.
the
Waiting
nail
for-
polish remover.
Nail polish remover?
Just brought the whole stock.
The whole stuff.
Not much.
Look, they got the rainbow.
Sorry to disappoint, but this is literally all we have back there.
Oh damn! What the hell? There's liquid in here. It's alright. We've seen worse. Thank you so much.
Keep believing.
You're so weird.
Keep believing in what?
What? Uzi, hold this.
Look at me. I'm the cameraman now.
Yo, man, we're here just buying up all the stock.
All the stock. Look at what he's throwing it on the ground like an animal. Hey, Gabe.
Yeah. Hi Dan. Why are you so close to me?
I'm getting all the angles. I don't know why, but this is fun.
Dan. Stop. Stop Dan. Sorry, Gabe.
It's so satisfying.
Alright, we got the stuff. Cleaned them out.
Alright.
We're about to go to the next Target. We're gonna clean them out.
If you're at the Target in Auto Mall and you need to remove some nail polish, get that camera out of my face. Man.
We're taking all of it.
Bro.
How you about to quit? You said you were gonna be the camera guy.
You got it. It almost looked like he was looking at us.
Just get on with
What's
it.
poppin'?
Just do it.
We're here at the Target number 2, and I think this is the last one we're gonna go to because I don't want to go to another Target.
So we're taking all of these?
So what we gonna do? We're gonna fill up the container, and then we're only gonna put the deck in before setting it up, and then we'll put the trucks in and everything, and then we'll set it up afterwards. So we need
That's
less.
just gonna be the deck.
The deck and the trucks and everything.
So we literally only need this?
No, we're selling out the whole store.
You're selling out the whole store?
Yeah, bro, I'm buying everything.
Selling out the whole store, huh?
The whole store.
Not buying out the whole store?
Let's go.
Selling out the whole store? You're not buying the whole store?
I'm selling the whole Target. The Target is mine now.
Wouldn't that be not yours if you sold it?
Hey, you know what? All y'all and your attitudes. I do not like that.
You don't like to have 4 hands?
Hey, Nigel, can I put fake nails on you?
No, absolutely not.
Please, just one time.
No, absolutely not.
Damn it. All right, we're here. We're back at the Braille house.
We're back at the Braille house.
We have so much nail polish remover. We don't even know what to do with it. So we're gonna start by pouring it in here. And while you guys are doing that, I'm gonna get a board together. I have a board.
You got a brand new board for this?
No, it's one that was stained in paintball.
Oh
juice.
yeah, there was a few. Okay, I'm glad you grabbed that then.
Yeah. How's it going over here, Mokes? What the heck? Oh, there's plastic on the top, dude.
I just saw that.
Oh, that smells bad.
To get trucks and put them in there too with the wheels like aside.
Oh, it's floating. Hey, dude. This is not what I expected. The graphic's already coming off, dude. You can see the paint. Oh my god. You can see the paint already. It's cracking everything. It's gonna blow up. Oh my gosh. Yo. Wow.
Oh my gosh. What if the board
You think the board's just gonna dissolve?
That's what I was gonna say. What if the board breaks when you step on it?
That would be amazing.
What is that? There it is.
That's crazy.
What's this?
Look, it's off. It's off.
So while we're here, would you like to make some predictions?
The grip's coming off.
Yeah, the grip's gonna come off.
Plies are coming apart. It's probably gonna be in one piece, but I think it's gonna be like eaten away.
I think you maybe get a couple tricks on it. Maybe.
I literally want to step on it like Mowgli said and just have it break. That would be so cool.
Wow. Crazy, like the whole graphic came off.
We're gonna leave this in here for a few days and see what happens.
The camera like you toss your phone to people, you sick bastard. You could have dropped that.
What are you talking about?
You just... Gabe, I swear to God,
No! No! Don't, that's gross! Get my phone out. You're cleaning it. That's so much worse than throwing it. Literally what you did.
It's a recycle. Look at it. It's cardboard.
Literally what you did is just the most offensive thing you've ever done.
It's recycling.
What you did is more offensive than throwing my phone across a football field.
How is that more offensive?
Dude, I'm so upset.
Are you? You just leave. You just leave it.
My day.
Gabe's out. He just left the camera on the recycle bin. Oh, he's out. Where the? Oh. I forget you're a germaphobe.
Clorox wipes. Clorox. Disinfectant. I'm sorry, phone. I'm so sorry he did this to you. Nigel said, I'm gonna get an iPhone 11 Pro X Max and this Prime 2000 Transformer Autobot Prime, and I'm gonna just forget that Gabe has one too, and just think that mine is important and throw it in the garbage can. You know what? I throw it at you, but I have 1000% faith that you'll catch it. But you know what I don't have? 1000% faith that there ain't no persiflades in that dumpster. Wait, film this.
I told you.
Film this.
I told you.
So Nigel just comes running inside. It's not even 24 hours after we put the board in the nail polish remover, and he runs in. Gabe, have you seen the board? We're not skating it.
Gabe, look at it.
What?
This layer is gone. It's like.
Oh my God.
That's a layer. That's one layer and it's flat. The other ones are below it.
Wait, what?
Yes!
I came out and opened it and I was like, is it just my eyes or
What
is
do you
it
mean?
flat?
Oh my God.
It completely delaminated separated everything.
God.
All of it is separated.
Let's try to skate it.
Dude, that's wild.
Screw all of them together.
Bro, that's wild.
I've never seen a board like
I had no idea.
All right, we gotta pull.
what the trucks look like.
Yeah, should we pull it out?
Oh, the trucks are in there too.
No, I think we should just leave
I
it.
think
Let
we
it
just
marinate
leave it.
more?
Leave it till tomorrow until Aaron can get a full.
Oh my God.
I told you nail
Understand
polish
it.
remover would do some
Dude,
stuff.
nail polish remover is
It's the
freaking
acetone,
crazy, dude.
What's acetone?
Next, the only thing we can do is like hydrochloric acid or something after this, and then the board will just dissolve into nothing. And we can't really soak anything in liquid nitrogen. It'd be hard to do that, but we already know what happens there. All right, Mogs. All right, it is it's now Saturday morning. It's been in there for 2 days, and I'm gonna get this thing out of my eye before we open this, so I don't get any in my eye. So you're all decked out. You got the safety gloves. You got the safety mask.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see what happened to this thing and drag it out into the sun, hopefully. What?
Is it even a skateboard anymore? It looks so. It does. There's no concave. There's nothing.
No. No. No.
Bro.
No. Bro, bring it out. What?
How are we gonna skate this?
I don't know if we are.
I'm pretty sure you could take off the other ones, but look at that.
Hey, it's all good. We gotta get hardware through there, and then we gotta put them all back together, and the trucks too.
Yeah, we have the trucks and wheels. Let's see if it did anything to that.
Wow.
Nothing.
A surprising amount of nothing. All right, well now we let that stay out and dry, but just look at this. Dude, that's insane. Dude, what in the world?
These actually are pretty still.
They're still lined up too.
Yeah, they're still hard. Like it won't. Like I'm trying to take it apart and it won't.
Dude, that is crazy. That is far beyond anything I imagined. I don't know what is gonna happen. If we can even get it back together and skate it. But if we do, that thing's breaking, right? Like, easily? Yeah.
That's not the board.
Dude, that is the board. I would not lie about this.
No way. For real?
Yeah, look at that.
It's kind of cool, actually.
Looks like a lasagna noodle, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So that's the bottom sheet.
This is the bottom?
Yeah.
So this is where the graphic was?
That was where yeah. And then the graphic came off in like 30 seconds.
That's kind of cool.
But that's how you can see how a skateboard is made.
If I was a painter, I would paint on this. Okay.
I'm surprised the grip tape is still on. I thought that would come off first.
Yeah. I guess the glue is impervious. Well, if only we had some hardware.
Oh no!
What smells really good over here?
Not sure.
I think it's this.
Here, Aaron, the hammers are right here. Look how solid that is. He can't even get that through. Is that carbon fiber?
But for real, smell how
That's
good it smells.
Huh? That is probably toxic.
It does smell good.
I know, but it doesn't matter because it smells good. Do we have a drill bit that has
Aaron, right here.
a whole new drill?
What do you think we'll be able to do on this?
Every
You
trick?
think if we just stand on it, it's gonna break?
No. I'm kickflipping this, 100% guaranteed. Money back.
100%.
Brian Arnett, late shove it down the 3 block.
Perfect.
Should we line up the truck?
We good?
It's kind of going at an angle.
This is like a Rubik's Cube trying to get this in here. Okay.
What happened to this board?
Now that I got it, I think this guy was
we
on a
feel
different hole.
Can we feel what it feels like before someone steps on it and breaks it?
I mean, okay, so we've done hydrogen peroxide, Drano, bleach, a lot of highly toxic stuff, and nothing even came close to anything like this. This is like the most damage we've ever seen. Listen to this pop though. For real, right? I'm gonna do the highest kickflip I've ever done.
I feel like I just took the whole thing and
Oh man. Oh.
Should we ride down a bank?
Oh no.
That might be all that's possible.
You can drop in for sure.
Feeling, oh, yeah, right. Who wants to drop in?
Doug!
No way. You'll drop in? Or you wanna go to the mini ramp?
No, right here.
Right here?
Big boy.
No. Yeah, first.
I want to try.
Oh yeah, you got that, Doug.
Oh yeah, you're good. You're good. Just drop straight to the trucks.
Let's go! Let's go!
Okay, wait, I got a trick. One sec. Watch out, buddy. Let him try trick. Weirdly enough, that side almost feels like it has more pop.
Oh my gosh.
It's possible.
Oh, that sounds so bad.
Sounds so good. Wait, another question is, how did that one go all warped, but it still fit on the holes? You know what I mean?
I have no idea.
It's like this. You ready? First try? Like father, like son.
He's literally better than me.
And there's a fingerboard up there.
Yeah, grab that fingerboard.
All right, let's go back in there.
Five star?
To the 5.
Do you think he was gonna land that?
I did, actually.
You did?
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna come apart.
I mean, it's still a board. I mean, the layers may be separated, but it's gonna be harder to snap now than it would be together.
You think so?
Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh!
Buddy!
Oh, look!
The whole back of the tail.
Right where you popped off. Oh wow.
How do you make it?
All right.
Hold on to it.
I can't do anything on it. I'm flat. All right. That was fun. I didn't think I got it on the 5. I was just gonna do it on. All right, 3 block. Let's go.
Yes! Let's go.
Did I?
Right there.
I was broke a bone, bro.
What? Wow.
I just tweaked my ankle.
Oh no.
At least I went for it.
Has it been kickflipped? Look, the whole bottom. Oh, it broke. Has it been fully broke? Look. Has it been kickflipped? No, not yet.
Kickflip day.
Fully broke.
This real quick.
Okay.
Oh, you want to play?
Kickflip off.
Come on, man.
Let's go. Come at me. Come at me.
Always in my grill.
Well, should we focus it?
Good luck.
There you go.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll wait.
Buddy!
All right. Come closer, Gabe.
This is my specialty.
That thing hit me in the face.
Aaron, I can't.
That was all me, because I held it.
He did do it. He landed and the trucks came off. Well played. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Increase your rank in the Braille Army at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go.